Welcome to online lectures by CA Studies. For more lectures online, please do visit castudies.lk.
Hi students, welcome to new level, business level 2. So all of you have completed business level 1. It was a very easiest level, that is I believe. Now we are going to talk about business taxation. This is business level 2, third chapter. Code number is BL7. Right. First of all, before starting this chapter, I want to give a idea about this subject. That is, before you have to start the studies, please understand what is there in the studies. It's like playing a cricket in a ground. CA students are like a batsman. Before strike a ball, you have to understand position of the fielders in the ground and the who are going to bowl you, right? Before you bet, understand what is there in the studies. It means before you start the studies, what is the structure of the study pack? Actually, what are the contents available within this subject? That is, you have to understand, right? That is easily you can take your mind. Now I am taking the BL7 study pack. First weightage is introduction to taxation, that is 5 marks. Under introduction to taxation, how many chapters there? That is fine. Find that and give the priority to the chapters that will give the more marks. Then you can easily get the 50 marks. 50 marks is the pass marks out of the 100 marks. Our first goal is to become a pass. Second goal is to become a highest. Third goal is become a merit. Right? If you get a 50 marks, you are pass. If you take a more than 70 marks, it means more than 69 marks. If you get a 70 marks or more than 70, you are eligible to get a subject prize. Right? It means you are eligible to get a subject prize means if many students get a more than 69 marks, then among that one will be highest. That highest person only provided the award, subject prize by the Chartered Institute. That is second goal. Third goal is getting a merit. Merit means you have to attempt the all 4 subjects in the business level 2. Then within the all 4 subjects, you have to get more than 60 marks in all 4 subjects. That is, you are eligible to get a merit. Right. Let's go for our subject, business taxation. BL7. Very easiest subject. This is very little part only will be tested in your paper. Business taxation. There are 8 weightages. In chartered accountancy, right? This subject only, right? This subject only structure like this. That is, one weightage. Under first weightage, there are only 1 chapter. In second weightage also 1 chapter. Each and every chapter contains 1 chapter. Sorry, each and every weightage under each and every weightages contain only 1 chapter. That's why I told this is very easy. But other subject not like that. If I take the BL1, first 3 chapters come under the first weightage. But in BL7, first chapter come under the first, second come under the second, third come under the third, fourth come under the fourth, fifth come under the fifth. Like that. Only 1 chapter only allocated to each weightage. First weightage is introduction to taxation. What is meant by tax? What is meant by tax? That you will understand, because all the audience who have come from the advanced level, that is, even though commerce stream students or mathematics stream students or biological stream students, you have never know about tax. In economics and business studies, you have the definition of the tax and what is meant by the tax. But here we are going to do the tax calculation based on the tax rules released by the government, right? So this is also a very new subject for the chartered accountancy students, right? You are provided the syllabus structure. First level is business level 1, second level is business level 2, third level is corporate level, fourth level is strategic level. In a business level, in a chartered accountancy, fourth pillar is tax and law. In a business level 1, you will learn the business law. Business level 2, you will learn a business tax. And corporate level, you will learn a corporate law. Final level, you will learn a corporate tax. This is how your syllabus structure, right? Then we will look at what is second weightage. Income tax liability of resident individual. Third one is basic income. Basic income tax liability of a resident company. Basic, right? Don't think too much. Corporate taxation, you will learn advanced tax calculation in the strategic level. You will learn the advanced calculation in the SL3, that is corporate taxation. Fourth one is gains from realization of investment asset. Actually dear students, all of you have to understand first, that is tax are calculated based on the rules released by the government. In Sri Lanka, income tax are calculated based on the Income Tax Act. That act is named as number 24 of 2017 Inland Revenue Act. That is newly passed by the government in 2017. Before that, we have used 2006 Act. 2006 Act is complicated, but 2017 Act is very simple act. It's like reading a book. One act I have seen in my life, that is reading like a book. You can just read and understand. Small book, right? You can buy from the government press, government bureau, that is located in the baseline in front of the Lady Ridgeway Hospital. You can go and purchase. Price is around 400 or 450 rupees. 250 rupees something. So you can purchase and keep with you, right? Then when I explain, you check whether my explanation is correct. But don't worry, you don't need to do that, right? I am not saying purchase and keep with you, because it is best. It is better way, right? We also studied in that way. Take that external, based on that act only, our study pack structure, right? Then if you read that, you will get a familiar to read the act. In your working environment, your boss, your immediate boss may ask about the tax related treatments. So you can read that and give an idea. So that is my suggestion for your practical works in your working environment. But here, each and every tax treatments, each and every concept and theories, I will explain. I will explain from 0 point. That is my responsibility, because all of you do not know how to calculate the tax. right? I want to focus on the 100% of audience. Therefore, text subject you have not studied at advanced level, therefore I need to explain from the 0 point. Therefore, don't worry. But please don't buy it. Understand the treatment, understand the rationality, and take a short note. How this treatment done, right? How you should prepare the short note also I will guide you, right? Then fifth one is value added text. Shortly we can say wet. That is now 8%. Then other texts applicable to business. So there are many texts applicable to business, but here other texts applicable to business. Here says what are the texts under the syllabus only tested. Here many texts there applicable to business, but in this chapter there are texts given by the Chartered Institute. You will learn that only. Your studies also should be exam focused. Study it for your exam, right? Somehow pass the exam. Then after that you once you qualified and all, try to learn everything, right? To get the 50 marks, learn, right? But we will lecture for get 100 marks. Full syllabus should be covered. Full syllabus should be covered. Then only you can at least score 50. Right? If you try more, you can score 70 or 80. Here, what are the syllabus contents available? Under our study pack, we have to understand. That's why I told before go with the studies, please understand our study pack. Seventh one is basic income tax, basic income tax administration and income tax payment procedures. How you have to administrate your income tax. How once income tax liability has been calculated, how we can pay to the government. Right? That is come under 7th chapter. 8th one is taxation of other persons and entities. Here also taxation of other persons means who are the other persons. Don't think too much. Who are the other persons? That is given by the study pack. When you read this chapter, you will understand who are the other persons. Don't think who are the other persons other than the company and individual, all other persons. But we have to see what is in our syllabus. According to study pack, introduction to taxation gives 5 marks. Second one gives 25 marks. Third one gives 10 marks. Fourth one 5 marks. Fifth one 15 marks. Sixth 20 marks. Seventh, this is 10 marks. This is 5 marks. This is 15 marks. This is 10 marks. This is 20 marks. 10 marks. Your subject divided into 8. In that 8, see 2 weightages are IS marks. Only 2 subject, 2 chapters, you can score 45 marks. So other chapters are important, but don't give priority. Introduction to taxation, within a 1 hour, within a 1 second, you can understand what is meant by the tax. That is called introduction to taxation, right? I believe that there are only 4 to 5 pages, right? Maximum 10 pages there, right? This is how your study pack has been structured, right? Don't think that if you haven't, if you don't have the better English knowledge, right? Don't think you cannot do. You can do. Survival knowledge is enough, right? We also speaking very simple English, right? Be with us. Don't spend more time to study at home. Target your study. Once you understand the studies, once you understand the treatments, you don't need to practice. For example, take if you practice the 100 questions even without understanding, no point. Practice at least one question and understand, right? Practice the questions until you understand all the treatments. Then stop the practice. Then any treatment comes, you can answer. You know all the treatments. That's how you are, because time is short. Within 3 months we have to study. Exams are conducted in quarterly basis now, right? December, March, July, and December, March, June, and June, September, again December. So 4 exams conducted by the Chartered Institute. So 3 months is very short. You have to study 4 subjects. Therefore, allocate your studies based on the marks priority. Then you will definitely get a 50 marks. Right? Here 2 subjects give 45 marks. Then focus on first chapter or 4th chapter 50 marks. If you score full 50 marks, definitely get. Why can't you get 5 marks from other subject? You can. Other subjects you can. Right? Focus on that. Okay. We will meet in chapter 1. Right. Thank you and good luck.
Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned with castudies.lk for more lectures online.